Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to download Joom application on your Android device. The Joom application is an online shopping platform that allows users to browse and purchase a wide variety of products at competitive prices. To download the correct Joom application, open Play Store from your Android device and go to the search box at the top and type in Joom Joom and then search. Once you get to this application over here, tap on the install button to start downloading the Joom online shopping application on your Android phone. Wait until the app gets downloaded and installs on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the application is installed, tap on open and then you will be able to open the Joom application on your Android phone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.